Good morning. It's super early, it's 7 o'clock, and I've got a good reason to be early. We are in Lordswood entrance. Someone behind me. God, it's dark. A couple of reasons why I'm here this early. I want to do some special shots, and I wanted to see if that Land Rover Defender is still in the eastern part of Dymers Wood. Oh, someone's walking their dog already this morning. Let's see if we can get past. Thank you. Lovely morning, so fresh, and the sun's coming out. It's going to be a hot day. So I've got a couple of things planned. I think this will probably be the last decent weather for now, and this will be very muddy and horrible soon, so make the most of it. Morning.
Morning.
There must be a dog somewhere. There it is. Oh, the bike's gone. The abandoned bike's gone. Right, we're going to go left. So yeah, there's a little gap in the trees there. You can go through there. I didn't realise that, and that's the normal one we've done over there. But we're going to go down here. This is Castle Hill. We've just done the Red Lodge Belt. Can't go too fast along here. You don't know what might just jump out. Oh, could be a deer, could be a dog. There aren't any bears, luckily. There might be snakes and adders. So you've got to be careful, you're going into the bushes. Oh, big gravel here. Oh! Let's slow down on this corner. That's the way you can get wiped out. I'm so glad you can ride a bike along here. Brilliant. Should be heading up towards the junction now. Oh, my hands are getting cold. I've got gloves on. I need to start using them soon. Going uphill now. Whoa! Oh, get chased by a dog. He just wants to say hello. Alright, we are going straight on. They have definitely put gravel down. That grey gravel wasn't there before on the left. Oh, it's getting dark around here. This is a fair trek to get out here from the entrance. You know, you wouldn't want to get a puncture and had no tools or spare inner tubes to fix it while you're out here. It's a fair walk. Right, we want to head round to the right. Yeah, this is new gravel they've chucked down. Get a little bit muddy here. I think this will be the last time we can get out here for a while. Get up here. Without sliding, we can do it. We're in Dymers Wood now. Whoa, 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 slippery. Whoop. We're at the junction now. Oh. I'm going to stop here for a sec. See if we can get the thing up in the air. Walk from here. Oh, it's a beautiful morning. It is super muddy. Look at it. Someone's taken their mountain bikes across that. You can see all the mountain bike tyre trails. What was it, last year we saw the Land Rover? Oh, it's gone. They managed to drag it out. It was about there. Yeah, it's gone now. Right, we're going back the way we came. Had someone ask if they want to ride their bike with me. Well, I would love to ride with you, but I'm a bit wary about meeting strangers on the internet. Plus, you know, if there are kids out there under 16 and I meet up with an under 16-year-old, because I'm basically in my 40s, it's going to be a bit dodgy. Even though I've got a DBS level 2 certificate, which means I can work with young people, that's in my job, which might need that. No, better not. So I am flattered, thank you. You know, maybe if you see me out on the trails one day, you know, we'll talk, but meeting up with strangers on the internet is not my plan. And plus I don't know when I'm going to go riding because I'm fairly busy. Another question was, can I donate to a Patreon? Well, thank you, I'm flattered as well, thank you. But it's okay, I don't think, I mean, it'd be helpful to have the money, you know, pay off the mortgage and buy a nicer car and everything. But I don't think I'm going to do that. And you know, maybe if I get to 20,000 subscribers, it'd be worth doing, and it'd be my full-time job. But no, it's all right. It keeps me out of trouble as well. Basically, I fight depression. Been in and out of depression some of my life, and the only way to fight and defeat it is to keep yourself busy, give yourself a purpose, give yourself something to do. Without purpose, then, you know, people find, without reasons to live, someone said, you find reasons to die. And there's no reason to die. If you look at this beautiful forest, which is on my doorstep. And there's loads more out there as well, further out, that I'm going to visit in the coming months and years. You know, I've been looking around on the maps, and it's really a lot to explore. And I don't need a car to do it. Mud, last of the mud, I hope. Oh. So I think that's all the questions for now. And, yeah, keep watching, thank you.